Everything we just drew, the optimizer race and the schedule, is a couple of lines in PyTorch, and switching between them is trivial. An optimizer just needs your model's weights. Here are the three you will use most. Plain SGD, with a momentum of 0.9. Adam, the usual default, which needs almost no tuning. And AdamW, which is Adam plus the decoupled weight decay from the regularization video. For most modern models, AdamW is the one to prefer. Notice that swapping between them is a single line change. On top of the optimizer, we add a schedule. This one, cosine annealing, smoothly cools the learning rate down to 0 over training, exactly the cooling curve we drew. Now the training loop, the same one from before. The optimizer step happens every batch, inside the inner loop. But here is the small detail that trips people up. The schedule step belongs out here, once per epoch, after the whole batch loop finishes. Call it on every batch by mistake, and your learning rate races to 0 far too fast, and training stalls. So choosing and scheduling an optimizer is just a few lines, and AdamW with a cosine schedule is a strong default for almost anything. That wraps up how we build and train a network. Next, we change the problem itself, and meet models that remember a sequence, one step at a time.